We're here at Worcester College, Oxford University, to meet the team responsible for maintaining these stunning historic grounds and to find out more about the challenges they overcome in their daily work. And for that, I've brought the ALLPRO battery system.
I'm Simon Bagnall. I'm Head of Gardens and Grounds, Worcester College. We are part of Oxford University. We're trying to create a beautiful environment for study and research. We've been using STIHL tools for many years, and I'm really interested to see how these are going to help us make our work easier.
So these batteries have already been through the cement mixer drum test to make sure they stand the test of time. They've also gone through another test where we charge them and deplete the battery based on charging 200 days per year. We're testing across 5 key aspects: performance, constant power, fast charging, runtime and ergonomics. Power and weight are really important too, so for each task we've got a battery to give you the best of both worlds. So Mike's using the MSA 260 battery powered chainsaw with a 200p battery for great power with a lighter weight.
So it's very dense wood. You can really feel that the motor's got plenty of torque when you're cross-cutting, and it's nice and nimble when you're delimbing. It's nice and lightweight, easy and comfortable to use.
Long run times are essential when working with a brush cutter. Let's find out what Thais is up to in this area.
I've been doing a rough cut across this wildflower meadow area, which we manage for biodiversity. Quite a big area, we've got 2 more, so quite a lot to get through. The brush cutter's got very controllable power, so I can use more where I need it and conserve the battery where I need it. I've got 1 here, spare here, and I've got 1 in the machine, and with 4 I should be able to get loads done in the morning.
So Jake's over here using the backpack blower with the 300p batteries.
The constant power in it I think is amazing. It's great for clearing sites and brilliant for more difficult tasks of getting wet leaves up. Our priority here is our students, which I think with it being quieter is a great plus. The batteries are out, so I think it's best we go for a tea break and charge them up.
So how was your tea break?
Yeah, good. Looks as if the batteries have charged up in less than 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's the intention. You can take the battery out of the blower, charge it quickly and then get on with the next task. I've given Simon the 100p battery, the lightest in the ALLPRO series, whilst giving enough power to get a lot of work done.
The battery is super light. I was really surprised how light it was. The machine is well balanced and it's really manoeuvrable, so it's perfect on these U-columns where we need that really sharp cut.
So that's the day with the ALLPRO batteries. How did you get on?
We've had a really good day. We've got a lot done, and the batteries that went through your testing have performed really well.
One thing that's clear is that ALLPRO delivers what it promises. Even after the drum test and multiple charging cycles, the team worked for an entire day here without any problems.